Hi, my name is Kristen Dombrowski. I am a registered and certified nerve conduction technologist. I have been doing this for 30 years. I have trained residents and fellows for the most part at a teaching hospital in Syracuse. Empire Medical Training is a fantastic source to learn the basics of EMG and nerve conduction studies since the advances have come so far over the last few years. Quality EMG testing is very hard to come by in most places, and waiting lists are up to 3 to 6 to 8 months long. So people that can come to Empire Medical Training to learn how to do the EMG and nerve conduction portion are really going to benefit the patients, so they will not have to wait as long in order to get treatment and or surgery. This particular EMG nerve conduction class is good for technologists who are starting out that want to learn the basics. It's also a really great class for surgeons or attending physicians, a lot of nurse practitioners, physical therapists, pain doctors, anybody who has patients that has any kind of weakness, numbness, tingling. I found out about Empire Medical Training through my colleague, Jim Lewis, who had done this for the last few years. We are both extremely passionate about nerve conduction and EMG. It is our lives. It's just very important to teach it the right way, as it's not a super comfortable test to have done. It's important to really know your anatomy and physiology, which is what Empire Medical Training can teach you in just a simple 2-day course.